was when I gave the word. Now in the morning I sleep alone.
I went over, no one said I smelled like cigarettes. Out of everyone I went and talked to.
It's the coolest thing.
I used to roll the dice, feel the fear in my enemy's eyes, listen as the crowd would sing. Now the old king's dead, long live the king. One minute I held the key, next the walls were closed on me, and I discovered that my castle stand upon pillars of salt and pillars of sand. I hear Jerusalem bells are ringing, Roman cavalry choirs are singing. Be my mirror, my sword and shield, my missionaries in a foreign field. For some reason I can't explain, once you've gone it was never, never an honest word. And that was when I ruled the world.
Hey, people gotta get their nicotine fix somehow, so might as well be electric. Boogie oogie.
It feels just like a regular cigarette. Like,
It was the wicked and wild wind.
Your charger and your power board.
Doors to let me in.
you get the feeling and everything.
Sound of drums. People couldn't believe what
Testimonial
I've been.
from the heart.
Revolutionary.
I want one.
For my head on a silver plate, just a puppet on a lonely string. Oh, who would ever wanna be king? I hear Jerusalem bells are ringing, Roman cavalry choirs are singing. Be my mirror, my sword and shield, my missionaries in a foreign field. For some reason I can't explain, I know Saint Peter won't call my name, never an honest word, but that was when I